So, Pranam Swamiji, we have started another episode in which today we want to know from you about thought management. So, we are all the time having problem with thought. So, we really wish to know how thoughts are created, what is the definition of thought, and how we can manage. So, over to you, Swamiji.
Now, very interesting topic, thought management. First, we should know the importance of the thoughts and how thoughts are created. So, thoughts are nothing but a modification of the object. That means object has a relation to the thoughts. Outside, so many objects is there. It is connected with our senses, eyes and ears. Then thought forms. Unless you see the elephant, thought of elephant will not come to your mind. So that is why thought is a modification of the object. Then another examples. See, when you are alone, sitting, or in the meditative mood, what is happening? Inside TV is going on. TV means in the form of the thought, you are able to visually see or watch the place, action, reactions of the particular object, particular persons. Even though you are sitting in the house, you are alone, but thought is so powerful, the modification of the object. So thoughts flashes your mind. So in the form of the thought, closing your eyes, you are watching everything, object, the person, place, how you react, how you behave, love, everything. So we call thought is a hidden TV within. Closing our eyes, we watch TV. We watch TV through thoughts. Whereas outside, we open the eyes and watch. That is the difference. So thought is so important impression in our mind that it comes when the object is not there, but it is imprinted in your mind. So there is another theory is there. Greater the interest of the doer in the karma, deeper is the impression in the mind. That means thoughts. From examples, one boy studying in college. In the college vicinity, he finds so many boys and girls roaming around there. Every day he is watching. But suddenly, that boy, just a fraction of a second, seen a girl. That's all. Reaching the house, that thought of the object, girls is coming. Even 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, not able to forget it. So where it was, he is in boys in the house. Fraction of second he has seen in the college. Whereas he is seeing, watching so many other boys and girls, that is not coming in the mind. That particular girl, it is again and again coming in the mind, even month after month, year after year. So here the importance of the thoughts. Thoughts created when the boy sees the girl with a strong attachment. So greater the interest, attachment to the object, deeper the impression. So thought is a subtle form and all the objects are stored there. So through thought, it coming again and again in the mind. But when the interest is less or attachment is the less, we see the object. Thoughts are created in the mind. The same process, the same way. But it will not long last, because attachment interest is very less. So attachment interest is more important for the deeper impression of the thoughts. So whenever thoughts come in the mind, that means that is very deep impression is there. So thought, unless you see the objects, thoughts cannot be created. We are responsible creating our thoughts by our senses, mainly eyes and ears. If you see the good things, good thoughts will be created. If you see the bad things, bad thought will be created. So thoughts a person has created by him by senses, mainly eyes and ears. So thoughts are nothing but object. But here one point you have to remember, thought they compare just like a continuous flow of water. In the mind, series of thoughts coming, just like a water. So flow of water is a river. So flow of thoughts is a mind. So the river, both side bank is there. Control that water. So if the water of the river is dirty, the river is clean, is a bad shape, unclean. If water is very clean, river is very clean, clear, सच्चा है. हमारा मन में अगर हमारा विचार सही है तो हमारा मन भी सही है. हमारा मन में विचार गलत है तो मेरा मन भी गलत है. विचार, the thoughts are good, you are good. Thoughts are bad, you are bad. So they call thoughts is responsible for our happiness and unhappiness. If thought is good, positive, we'll be happy. If it is not, it is unhappy. So that is the importance of the thoughts created by us. How will create it? By our senses, watching. What we will see it depends the nature of the mind. Nature of the persons. If persons always see the bad things, thoughts will be created by them only for bad thoughts. So that you can understand, it is easily understandable what kind of thoughts you are creating by your eyes and ears. So the thought also, unless we understand the importance of the thoughts, till then we are not ready to control the thoughts. So how thought is responsible for our life, and that is the consequences. The moment you understand it clearly, we then will try to how to control the thoughts. Thoughts are nothing. Mind is nothing but a thoughts. Flow of thoughts is river. Flow of thoughts is a mind. So mind control, mind management means thought management. The moment you able to control the thoughts, you able to control the mind. But how to control the mind? So that is a so many methods are there, so many ways are there. So river, bank is there, water is there. Flow of thought is water. So we need bank so that we can control our thoughts for constructive ways. If rivers in the river bank is not there, water produces devastation, destruction. Similarly, our thoughts also distracting ourselves because we do not guide the thoughts through the bank. Or is the bank here? Intelligent is the bank. So thoughts should be controlled by the intelligent so that it will be productive, positive, constructive. Otherwise, it is a destructive because intelligence is not there. Just like a water made havoc by flood, if bank is not there, our life is so miserable because we are not able to control the thoughts or not utilizing the intelligent or intellect to guide the thoughts. So next session, I will start elaborately how to manage our thoughts.
Yes. Thank you, Swamiji.